man's fans too.
I know.
So they know?
Huh? Yeah. He didn't get that shit from me.
Yeah.
I ain't never touched a
You're a
joint
little
in my
man.
life. Yeah.
I know.
He smoke
I
like,
know.
He smoked like Snoop.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
I pray you stop that shit, bro. Come on, bro. You can't be.
Both your sons smoke or one?
Nah, he
Nah,
ain't
they
talking.
both-
We ain't talking about his sons.
Both of them.
Yeah,
They
You said both of them smoke?
and
Yeah.
they box, nigga. He one of them smoking box. And he a junior.